Hi, today I'm Friday with me, NAVITEL tab, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So unfortunately, always on display option just not installed by default. That's why we should get the application from the Play Store. So open the Play Store app and in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge app. Oh, not the music. Just Muviz Edge. And now we should get this first application, always on Edge music button. And after that, just wait a couple of seconds while this application will download it and then install it on your device. After that, just tap to open the app. Click Drop Over Apps. And tap to Muviz Edge. Click here on the switcher and go back. Here switch Edge to AOD and select one from these available tabs, for example this one. Click to apply. Now just let's lock the device. Press twice to the power key and we can see that the always on display option is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.